Okay, and so my 1998 Ford Ranger was rough idling and kind of shaking at the stop lights, like it was gonna shut off. And so I actually cleaned the mass airflow sensor, which is in here. You know, you basically just loosen that clamp and pull it off, and then spray some mass airflow sensor cleaner in there. But it was still doing it. So I cleaned the throttle body, which I took that clamp off and cleaned inside there where the throttle body is. But then I also pulled out this IAC, intake air controller, and I cleaned that with some throttle body cleaner. And now I'm getting ready to reinstall it. It's been out for a while, probably about 30 minutes, drying off, and had these Q-tips that I cleaned out a bunch of the gook. It was, really dirty inside. See there? I know I need better lighting, but so I'm getting ready to install that, and then I will start the car and take it for a little test drive and see how it does. It just had two little 8mm bolts, and so I'll get back with you all when I put that back up.